Hello friends, I am ARSHIT, and welcome to part 1 of Science Facts. Let's begin. What is sneezing? What is sneezing? Sneezing is a reflex action that removes dust, germs, or irritants from your nose to protect your respiratory system. Step 1. Something irritates your nose. Dust, pollen, smoke, cold air, or germs enter and irritate the inner lining of your nose. Step 2. Your brain gets a signal. Nerves inside your nose send a message to your brain. Something harmful is here. Step 3. Your brain reacts instantly. It commands your chest, throat, and lungs to push air out forcefully. Step 4. You sneeze. Air shoots out through your nose and mouth at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour to remove the irritant. According to the World Health Organization, sneezing helps clear harmful particles and protect your respiratory system. Fun facts about sneezing. You cannot sneeze while sleeping. Your eyes close automatically when you sneeze. Bright sunlight can trigger sneezing in some people. Sneezing is your body's natural defense system that protects your nose and lungs by removing harmful irritants effectively. Thank you for watching this part 1 of Science Facts. Stay curious and see you next time.